Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're staring at that frustrating error code OFB on your Maytag washer from the 2025 models, you're not alone. This issue often pops up due to water overflow or drainage problems, and I'm here to guide you through fixing it step by step. Let's dive in and get your washer running smoothly again. First off, what does error code OFB mean? In Maytag washers, especially the 2025 lineup, it typically signals that the machine has detected too much water in the tub or a blockage in the drainage system. This could be caused by a clogged hose, a faulty pump, or even a simple sensor glitch. Don't panic. Most of these are easy DIY fixes that can save you a service call. Before we start, safety first. Always unplug your washer from the power outlet to avoid any electrical risks. Once that's done, let's tackle the problem. Step 1. Inspect the drain hose. Locate it at the back of the washer and check for kinks, bends, or clogs. Straighten it out if needed, and make sure it's not submerged in standing water. If it's blocked, carefully remove any debris. Step 2. Check the drain pump filter. For 2025 Maytag models, this is usually found at the bottom front of the machine. Unscrew the cover, remove the filter, and clean out any lint, coins, or gunk that's built up. Reinstall it securely once it's clear. Step 3. If the error persists, try resetting your washer. Unplug it for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and run a test cycle. This often clears temporary glitches. If none of these steps work, it might be a more complex issue like a faulty water inlet valve or pressure sensor. In that case, it's best to call a professional technician. Remember, regular maintenance, like cleaning filters monthly, can prevent this error from happening again. There you have it. You've got the tools to fix error code OFB and keep your laundry routine on track. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy home tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.